So last video I put on this this PUIG, whatever you want to call it, windscreen, and today is testing day. So I've been riding it a couple kilometers. I'm not that far from my house, and I gotta say it's a game changer. Like, really, some people didn't really agree with the looks. You can't all have the same preferences, or else we would be fighting for one woman in the world. So yeah, of course I do like a little bit smaller windscreen, but I mean it's not that bad, is it? I mean, it could be a lot worse, right? So you also get the GT touring screens that are like that high, and that really looks like nonsense. But I can understand if you really hate the wind for some reason, yeah, you want to have it even bigger. But now it's like not pounding my chest anymore. It's like a little bit wind over my shoulders and a little bit to my head, and I'm really digging it. I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect. But I didn't ride it fast enough to really agree with it. So yeah, I'm gonna change this camera into my motovlog camera. Is that right? Yeah, motovlog camera, and gonna take you guys for a spin. So hop on board. Yeah, let's get on the bike, close front windscreen, and let's see what this PUIG windscreen can do. PUIG, not really sure how you guys call it, but PUIG in Italian, PUIG in probably Germany or something like that. Not really sure. Anyway, let's hop on board, put the beast on, wait with the kickstand, and oh yeah. I keep loving this sound. So first test we are going to do is like keep it at the lowest settings. Hope you guys can still see. Like I said, the windscreen is not that big. It's not covering my helmet or vision or whatever. It does feel a little bit annoying when I'm like popping a wheelie, because when I'm popping a wheelie it's like coming into my vision, so that's not that good. So that's a little downside from these bigger screens. And I really love the black look, so I was like not gonna get it in transparent color. Transparent is not a color, Smokey. Okay, so I'm not gonna get it in transparent. And I was like, yeah, I needed black. Looks way cooler. And it is of course, but I mean, so I'm gonna take the bike to the motorway, highway, speedway, whatever you guys call it, and gonna see what the wind does over there. So now I'm doing like 67 kilometers an hour, and you can already tell like it's not pounding my chest anymore. It feels really good. It's like it's not in my way, it's not in my vision, but I'm really amazed like these corners on the side, like how they are formed. And I got this feeling that I'm gonna be stuck in traffic a lot before I get to the freeway. So yeah. Anyway, so very good day today in shitty Belgium, of course, shitty Belgium, and the sun is shining. Afternoon it's going to be raining, so I had to be fast, make a little video for you guys, as at the moment my AMG is at the Brabus headquarters to get the Brabus 700 conversion. So I was like, yeah, I don't have any transportation, let's take out the Superduke GT. First sun in like a week, so I had to take it out and test these. Yeah, it feels so good. So I do have my Arai racing helmet on, so I do not have my how do you guys call it, that helmet that opens up. We call it an integral helmet. Not sure what it's called in English, but I have my racing MotoGP helmet on, also like 12 or 13 years old. I should really update my gear, my glasses, my helmet, even my pants. My pants is like, I bought these when I was 21 years old, and I'm now 36, so these pins are actually 15 years old. But leather just gets better after the leather just gets better. Yeah, that's a fact. So leather just gets better after the years. And also my boots, still have my old Alpine Star boots, also 15 years old. I really want to update it. A couple weeks ago I was like, yeah, I need some new KTM gear maybe that fits the bike and things like that. But I know for sure if I'm gonna get the latest, newest leather gear, I'm gonna start walking like a robot again. It's gonna take like 2-3 seasons before it really gets like worked in and gets to start feel comfy. I've seen a lot of guys at racetrack lately with their new racing suits on. They're like walking like some robots or something like that, and I can't really cope with that. So it's not busted up. I don't really know if if the leather quality goes bad or something, like yogurt or beer. If you leave it there for too long, it goes bad. Not really sure. I haven't tried jumping off the motorcycle on the highway. Haven't really tried that, so I'm not sure if the leather still is as good as new, but I'm pretty sure it is. So I got a hard time, really got a hard time taking these pants off. Or more like buying new pants, but yeah, anyway. Weird. So very sunny day, very happy Smokey, good windshield. Like I have some people, I have been reading the comments, of course, and some people were like, yeah, it looks but ugly. It really looks ugly. Now I know it's not the cleanest. It's not. I think it's not that bad. I think it's kind of clean, you know. But you're like missing the point of this bike. I mean, the shorter black screen is of course a lot more beautiful. But if I wanted like a lot of wind in my face and my hair and like get pounded on the highway with wind, I would have gone for the Superduke R and just take my other bike. So, but for this bike, I really want it to be more I want to have more comfort, a little bit less wind. It's still very windy. Not sure if you guys can hear that, but still got some wind pounding on my helmet, which is a good thing, which is not that bad, of course. And it's also, I haven't done like over 100 kilometers an hour, so I'm not that sure how stable it's going to be on the highway. But the highway is like right over there, so I'm going to figure it out. And I'm pretty sure, well, I'm not really sure, but I might blur out the speed I'm doing. But I might or might not do speeds over 200 kilometers an hour. I might or might do not. So I'm not saying I'm going to do it, because, well, government in our country is like really shitty. They're not gonna catch a raper. They're not gonna catch a killer. The only guy they're gonna catch is like someone like me that's testing his bike out and speeding. So we are like easy money, easy and quick money. So I'm probably gonna blur out the speed. I'm not really sure. I don't really care if they catch me or not, but yeah, you know, I don't want to lose my driver's license for like a year. Probably not doing 200 where you can do like 120. It's like 80 kilometers too much, and they didn't like take a picture of me, so I'm not really sure what's going to happen. But anyway, I might or might not do over 200 kilometer an hour speeds, and I might or might not blur that thing out. So yeah, you guys see in a second if I blur it out or totally don't give a fuck. It's like pretty busy to do 200 kilometer an hour speed runs, that's for sure. What the hell is going on? Holy cow. The highway's like infected with trucks, and holy cow, this is not safe whatsoever. Here we go. Holy shizzle manizzle. I really hate like being in between trucks. It's like the only place I never want to be. If that one breaks and the dude behind me is sleeping, which most of these truck drivers do, don't get me wrong, Mike, I understand. If you put me in a truck for like 5-6 hours without coffee, I'm gonna fall asleep. I can't stay awake when I'm sitting in a chair. So I understand these guys that it's a hard job. Just staying awake is just hard. but this is dangerous as hell. Anyway, if like this Range Rover that's probably leaking oil on my motorcycle can get a move on, first things first, I'm gonna check the motorcycle for where is it, information. I spotted something like it needed service. Oh yeah, look at that, it needs service and the tire pressure is low. Yeah, so low tire pressure, service, good time. So really gotta take it in. Now I'm not sure what's happening, but it's very windy and Mr. Truck Driver over there is passing another truck. But I know for a fact that these trucks are all limited to 90 kilometers an hour. So one truck is doing like 91 and the other one is doing like 89. And if they pass each other, it's for a couple of minutes. So I might skip this part and skip right to the fast part. Really sorry about that. Belgium highway, look at that, trucks are just passing each other. This is bad, so I'm gonna skip to the good part. God damn it. Can hear me right now, but I might or might not have done just 200 kilometers an hour, and I'm kind of sitting straight up, so I'm not even lying down. It's like I'm not in a rare position in any way, and it felt really good. It felt really stable, nothing bad or nothing weird going on, so this is actually, yeah, this is pretty decent. And we're back! Now, not sure how you guys experienced that. Really sorry if the sound is terrible as hell. I can't really tell yet. But I'm really amazed. I am really satisfied. It doesn't really happen a lot that I get as satisfied as I am today. But that windscreen is perfect. It is good, it is silent, it is stable, it is... Yeah, I'm really amazed. So they must have done some testing, or else it wouldn't be that good. But anyway, so hope you guys like this little moto vlog, review, screen, PUIG, windscreen, whatever. I'll put a link in the description as where I bought it. I bought it on some Dutch website, so I'm not sure if that's the best idea for you to buy if you live on the other side of the world. But yeah, can't really say much more. It is really good. I'm really amazed. So the bike just got a lot more fun. It's already fun. Low tire pressure. It needs a service. So yeah, we got some work to do. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Ride safe.